Lo so, era un poco allora, quello che ho per dire, quello che ho per dire.
Botol mayo.
Con mezzo quello. Che è
Bayar zaten. Sola bir şey. Çıkayım bayar. Tamam. Bu kaç kişi?
Ya la loro.
Harika kadar geliyor. Dua.
Dai, berapa dai?
Çıkacak.
Ini juga.
Oh, tapi jadi. Oh,
Banyak kali sama. Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to unbox my brand new guitar Cort AD 810. I bought it from Amazon.in. So it cost me around 10,000 plus, almost like almost 11,000, because I bought the combo pack. So it comes with back, then tuner, then few picks, guitar picks. So and also I took with EMI. So in total it cost me around almost 11,000. So if you purchase only guitar, you can check in the Amazon. I will give the you can check the price of the guitar. If you don't buy the pack, or if you don't buy the combo pack, you can get it by 10,000, 9,500 or 800, within that range. If you buy full, if you don't buy in EMI, then you can get by 9,500. So if you are going for EMI, then it will cost you around almost 10. So if you buy combo, it will cost you more than 10,500. So I will give the link in the description, so make sure you go and check it. As I have said earlier that I bought this guitar in combo pack. So this comes with back. This guitar comes with a back. So this is the back. This is the official back from Cort itself. You can see here, written Cort. Then another accessories. Another accessories is the belt from Cort. And the next one, okay, this is the tuner. This is also from the Cort. And also the picks, guitar picks, also from the Cort. So these are the accessories. It comes with the guitar. Alright, so another one is the tool. So this is the Allen key. To adjust your guitar neck, so they'll give you one Allen key, then some documentation, then one extra bridge, then nut. Okay, so that's it. So this is my new guitar. So this is Cort AD 810. So this is a very basic guitar. This is the lowest segment in from the Cort company, and this guitar is made in Indonesia. So it has been imported. Okay, so from this company, this is the lowest price. All right, so let's check the sound. Yamaha and the Cort AD 810 is there's no difference much, only the neck, only the string alignment. So the difference is only 2 mm, but it is a very big difference. There's a big difference. This one has 12 mm and the Yamaha is 10 mm. So the officially they announced that their string alignment is 10 mm. So if you guys want to play for fun, or if you want to play rhythm, then you can go for Yamaha. Otherwise, if you want to play fingerstyle, you can go for Cort sound quality. Now let's check the sound quality of this guitar. So guys, I'll see you in the next video, and so bye bye and take care. If you are new to this channel, please do like, share and subscribe.